Hey everyone, this month on Patreon we'll be looking into Lightning Sword Slash. Here I've got this effect in Unreal Engine. We're gonna start by going into Substance and creating a texture. The tutorial on this will be available on YouTube. The next one will be about mesh creation for this Slash, and then the rest of it will be covered on Patreon. So we're gonna start by creating this effect from scratch in Unreal Engine, and the Unity version is going to be available on Patreon as well. In Unity, I just started this effect, so obviously it's not close to what I've got in Unreal Engine. However, I'm just going to finish it and post it on Patreon probably towards the end of this month. So you'll be able to just dive in, create your meshes in Houdini, textures in Substance, and then pick your version of the engine you're using and create this effect from scratch. So thank you so much for your support, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the content for this month. Thanks.